amigos, good morning. A little bit of a late video, and just to update you guys, lots of you guys have been asking how's it going with the reconstruction and moving forward. Well, this showed up last night. Finally, we got a dumpster to start throwing away the debris from this building. As you can see, the missus is working hard at it, and we're being very careful about it because we are kind of limited on space. So we're going to try our best to get this debris, all of it, in this dumpster right here, and hopefully we won't overwhelm the dumpster. And while at that, the missus had a really good idea to take some of the little stuff. Why not have a little fire going right here? We're just burning off some of this old lumber, some of this damaged stuff, and making a day of it. We'll see what happens. I'm going to put this camera down. I'll pick up with you guys in a little bit. And we got a little bit done. That's been about a few hours. As you can see, the pile is down a little bit more. I really believe that once we get this sheet metal moved out of the way, I would reuse it, but most of it's got holes in it. It's full of holes, it's rusted, it's old. But get that out of the way and it'll be downhill from there, getting the rest of this mess into that dumpster. And I really think we'll get it all done today, but for right now, we're gonna call it quits. Not quits, but you know, just take a break and let Mr. Cat play around on the pile, as cats do. They're always nosy. And we're gonna go get ourselves something to eat because it's about lunchtime. So I'm gonna quit yammering my hammer and but anyway, here we are at one of our most bestest favorite places to eat, Aztecas. Anyway, to update you guys, as far as the building, the missus and I went and checked out this what was it? What did we go see?
Anderson Enterprise.
Yeah, Anderson Enterprise. They are a Carolina carport dealer, and also what, Centra or something like that?
Centra Steel Buildings, or something like that.
Yeah, Centra Steel Buildings. I thought originally we were going to go with, or the original plan was to go with a, what they call a square tubing type frame. And something about it was just kind of bugging me. And hold on, food's coming. I'm going to let that cool off a little bit. That's a little hot. But anyway, I thought about going with a steel building that has the square tubing style of frame, but something about that just, they look kind of flimsy. I'm not sure. But then the guy at the place showed me one of their, what do they call it? A red iron type framing, something like that. Anyway, and I think I'm going to go with that kind of route. But you know what? Hold on. I'm just going to go ahead and eat this and quit talking to a camera. I'll pick this back up here in a little bit. Okay. Upon the editing of this video, I realized that apparently I was not recording at some of the times when I thought I was recording. So I lost some of the video, even though I didn't really gain any video because I wasn't recording. Imagine that. But to pick up where I left off on this restaurant scene, yeah, I decided I'm going to go with a red iron style of frame of a steel building because they're just a lot more durable, they're a lot stronger, and no doubt if that oak tree had fallen on a building like that, I'd still have a building. And really not sure how I'm going to get to that point, but that's what I'm looking at doing. I really don't know how to explain it all, but it just seems like that's a better route than going with the square tubing style of garage because they kind of look like an afterthought on top of a concrete slab. But I really believe it's going to be the best route to go. Some of you guys who are into the construction business know exactly what I'm talking about. That's the idea we're going to go with. We only got one shot at this. It's not like I'm going to build a building and go, well, I don't like that, I'm going to tear it down and build another one. No. So why not go all the way? So I'm going to try and make this happen the best I can. And Lord willing, you know, we'll just end up having a really stout garage with a lot more, we call it potential. But anyway, other than that, let's continue on with the video. Well, anyway, that was a day, and I know there's a short video, But hey guys, you know, a lousy video is better than no video at all, I guess. I just figured you guys might want to hear about what's going on, the progress, the plans for a new building, and just to see what kind of a mess we got cleaned up. I mean, check it out. There's the garage in a box, what's left of it. Also guys, I really hate saying this. Not that I hate saying this, it's just I don't want to sound like a beggar, because I'm not begging. Like I say, I appreciate the help from all of you and the prayers and support. I have gotten some comments from several people who have an issue with their debit card working on the PayPal link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave my PO box in the description down below. So if you guys want to contribute the old-fashioned way, that's fine. I'm not asking. I'm just leaving the door open for you guys who want to be a part of the rebuild. But that's that. So anyway, thanks guys for keeping up. Thanks for giving this video a watch, even though it wasn't all that, you know, overproduced like I usually do. But I'll catch you on the next time around, okay? So you guys keep the rubber side down, be good to yourselves, and
Thanks a lot.
bye-bye.